train together, stay together. Morning, and look where we are today. We're at Charles Trent Scrapyard, and we are on a, what is it called?
Or you can carry £30 challenge.
Well, hey, so basically Chris has been here for the last 2 days. This is his third day now in a row, and we're having a look for some parts for all the many little projects that he's got going on at the moment. What are you after today?
Heater that I can convert to put in the Mini, and just so many other odds and sods that I think will be useful. Might see if I can get some bits of Jimmy as well.
Whoa, is this the one that you climbed through the window, Chris?
No, it's the Alpha.
Where's that?
Let's go and have a look at the Alpha. I'll show you the one that I climbed through the window.
Okay.
And that's the window I climbed through.
Oh no. Oh, that's quite a small window.
Then I worked out I could open it using an Allen key.
Oh really? Did you need anything from it today?
I'm just going to double check. Much easier than climbing through the window.
What are you looking for?
Just any of the other centre console bits that I might be missing. Do you want a book while you're waiting?
That looks like it's a scary book.
See the back seat, it's fine.
Is it?
Yeah. Shame we don't want a red leather back seat.
Yeah. I think the centre thing that you brought back was enough.
I'm after this whole section here and this section here.
What car is this?
It's a Seat Arosa.
And this is for what car?
This I'm hopefully going to adapt to go in the Mini. My dad doesn't believe I'll be able to do it, but I have faith. Ta-da! That's what we were after. Whoop, whoop, whoop. So we're on our way back from Trent's now. Managed to get the heater that I want to try and convert for the Mini. An alternator for Jimmy, because we're not sure whether his alternator is playing up. And some other little bit that hopefully help us with builds, etc, etc.
Any more injuries?
Only a couple more scrapes, but nothing too serious. Now, having a complimentary slush puppy, and on our way home. Is it blue?
After a very eventful morning down the scrapyard, Chris managed to get his hands on loads of stuff, £30 a pop, and he's had the opportunity to buy loads of parts, which is really good. And I went over to Tesco's because you watched the vlog a couple of days ago, but I mentioned a really good deal at Tesco's, which is 25% off their wines. I've picked up all of this, which is demi-sec champagne, and also this. And that's really good because that saves us £30 overall. So just need to find somewhere to store it all. There's not much more space on our stairs. We've come to Bournemouth so that we can get something to eat, and there's a new place. What's it called in Bournemouth, Chris?
BH2 or something like that?
Oh yeah, BH2 or BH1 or something. So we're going to go and check that out and look at the evening tonight. It's very lovely. So what have we got?
We've got Frankie and Benny's, Ask Italian, Chiquitos, TGI Fridays, Nando's.
Is that it?
I think that's it for the moment. They're still opening more up.
Well, let's go round and then we can work out where we'll go, just in case. Okay, we've now found Handmade Burger Company, which we've been to before in Southampton, and it's really good, so let's check it out. We are on holiday, so what should we do on our first day?
Go for a running cycle.
Yeah, because Chris is too fast for me and I need to get my confidence up on my bike. Excuse my seat because Roxy ate it. Yeah, so I need to get my confidence up on the bike because a couple of years ago had an accident, smashed my face up, pretty traumatic. So today I'm going to conquer my fear. I don't think I will, but yeah, I'm going to conquer my fear. Okay, let's do this. Let's do it. Come on then, Roxy. Good girl. Okay, I am cycling whilst vlogging. This could be a very dangerous thing. We have discovered something, a family thing. So Roxy does the swimming. She was swimming a minute ago. I do the cycling and Chris does the running. We are team triathlon, yay! We have stopped off for a pit stop and Roxy, where is Roxy?
Roxy.
Where is she? Okay, I don't know if you can see her, but she's saying, let me in the water. Shall I leave my bike here? Yeah. Oh, it's nice down here. Oh, she's in! She's in! Yay! And here's a perfect place for me to sit. Boom. Chris is sneezing a well-deserved pit stop. Do you want to jump in the water?
Katie's turn to run. Roxy.
What is it? Couples that train together, stay together. Yeah!
I'm proud of Katie for running. We've done, I reckon by the end of it we've done about 8, nearly 9 miles. So, we're taking it in turns. I've mostly done the running, but
Yeah.
Katie's running now.
I'm much more confident on the bike now.
Which is good.
And from a running point of view, I'm just taking it slow and steady because I'm just the most accident prone person ever.
That's true.
Everything I enjoy, I end up enjoying myself. So.
Roxy.